If you're an athlete participating in extreme or contact sports, or a very active person with moderate to severe knee ligament instabilities, or are recovering from ligament reconstruction, you need a knee brace that can protect and stabilize your ligaments and endure your toughest workouts. The DonJoy Defiance. With over 1 million sold, the DonJoy Defiance is the world's premier custom knee brace. First of all, it's custom made, so you can get a perfect fit. The carbon fiber frame makes the DonJoy Defiance super strong and lightweight. The clinically proven force-point hinge reduces the amount of time your knee is in the at-risk position. The 4 points of leverage system protects your ligaments and significantly reduces the strain on your ACL when running, jumping, or cutting. The swiveling strap tabs accommodate leg movement while providing increased comfort. The DonJoy Defiance is clinically proven and provides performance as well. It's simply the strongest and most supportive custom brace on the market. It's also backed by the world's first and only knee guarantee program and has a lifetime warranty on frames and hinges. Used by high school, collegiate, and professional football teams, as well as Olympic ski, snowboard, and volleyball teams, the DonJoy Defiance knee ligament brace is now available to you. When you call us, we'll schedule an appointment to measure you for your brace. A follow-up visit will be arranged to teach proper fit and maintenance. Our knowledgeable brace coaches are trained to help you find the right brace for your needs.